Good morning. Or maybe good morning in your heart. Tell me something, Tom. Have you ever noticed how the way you start your morning can change your whole day?
Oh, yes, Emma. Absolutely. When I wake up calmly, I feel calm all day. But when I wake up late and rush, everything feels stressful.
That is so true. Dear listener, today we will talk about something very simple, very real, and very important: your morning routine.
Yes, your morning routine is what you do after you wake up. The words morning routine mean your regular morning habits. Routine means something you do again and again, every day.
Exactly. For example, you wake up, you open your eyes, you sit up, you stretch, you brush your teeth, you wash your face, you drink water. These are all parts of a morning routine.
And today, we will help you learn English while talking about your morning routine. You will learn simple words, simple sentences, and real conversations.
And please remember, you do not need to be perfect. Just relax. Just listen. Just repeat. You are safe here.
Yes, you are doing great already just by listening.
Let's begin with the first moment, the moment you wake up.
Emma, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I open my eyes slowly, I take a deep breath, and I smile.
That sounds peaceful. I wake up at 7. Sometimes I want to sleep more. My bed feels warm and comfortable.
Oh, yes. Comfortable means it feels good. It feels relaxing.
Dear listener, repeat after us. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
One more time. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Very good.
When I wake up, I do not jump out of bed. I sit up slowly.
Sit up means to move your body from lying down to sitting.
Repeat after us. Sit up.
Sit up.
Again. Sit up.
Sit up.
Excellent. Then I stretch my body.
Stretch means you move your arms and legs to relax your muscles.
Repeat after us. Stretch.
Stretch.
Again. Stretch.
Stretch.
Stretching feels very good. It helps your body wake up.
Dear listener, what do you do when you wake up? Do you stretch or do you check your phone?
That's a good question. Tom, do you check your phone in the morning?
Sometimes, yes. I look at my phone, I check messages, I check the time.
But sometimes checking your phone too early can make you feel stressed.
Yes, sometimes you see many messages. Your brain becomes busy very fast.
Brain means your mind, your thinking part.
Repeat after us. Brain.
Brain.
Again. Brain.
Brain. Tom, what do you say to yourself when you wake up?
I say, good morning. I say it softly. I say, good morning, Tom.
That is beautiful. You can talk to yourself. It is healthy. It is positive.
Positive means good and hopeful.
Repeat after us. Positive.
Positive.
Again. Positive.
Positive.
Dear listener, try this tomorrow morning. When you wake up, say, good morning.
Yes, repeat after us now. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Again, good morning.
Good morning.
Very nice.
After I wake up, I get out of bed.
Get out of bed means you leave your bed.
Repeat after us. Get out of bed.
Get out of bed.
Again, get out of bed.
Get out of bed.
Then I walk to the bathroom.
Bathroom is the room where you wash your face, brush your teeth, and take a shower.
Repeat after us. Bathroom.
Bathroom.
Again, bathroom.
Bathroom.
Emma, what did you do first in the bathroom?
First, I look in the mirror.
Mirror is the glass where you see yourself.
Repeat after us. Mirror.
Mirror.
Again. Mirror.
Mirror.
Then I smile at myself.
That is a wonderful habit.
Habit means something you do regularly.
Repeat after us. Habit.
Habit,
Again, habit.
habit.
Dear listener, smiling in the mirror can make you feel happy.
Yes, even a small smile can change your mood.
Mood means how you feel, happy, sad, calm, or tired.
Repeat after us. Mood.
Mood.
Again, mood.
Mood.
Then I brush my teeth.
Brush your teeth means clean your teeth with a toothbrush.
Repeat after us. Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Again, brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth slowly and gently.
Gently means softly, not hard.
Repeat after us. Gently.
Gently.
Again, gently.
Gently. Dear listener, now let's practice a full sentence. Repeat after us. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
Again, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Very good. Then I wash my face.
Wash means clean with water.
Repeat after us. Wash my face.
Wash my face.
Again, wash my face.
Wash my face.
Cold water helps me feel awake. Awake means not sleeping. Awake means your body and mind are active.
Awake.
Awake.
Again, awake.
Awake.
Emma, do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I do. I take a warm shower.
Shower means washing your body under water.
Repeat after us. Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Again, take a shower.
Take a shower.
Warm water feels relaxing.
Relaxing means calm and peaceful.
Repeat after us. Relaxing.
Relaxing.
Again, relaxing.
Relaxing.
Dear listener, now answer this question. Do you take a shower in the morning? You can say, yes, I do, or no, I don't.
Repeat after us. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Repeat after us. No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Excellent.
After my shower, I dry my body with a towel.
Towel is a soft cloth you use to dry your body.
Repeat after us. Towel.
Towel.
Again, towel.
Towel.
Then I get dressed.
Get dressed means put on your clothes.
Repeat after us. Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Again, get dressed.
Get dressed.
Tom, what do you wear in the morning?
I wear comfortable clothes, sometimes a t-shirt and pants.
Wear means put clothes on your body.
Repeat after us. Wear clothes.
Wear clothes.
Again, wear clothes.
Wear clothes.
Dear listener, what do you wear in the morning?
You can say, I wear a shirt, or I wear a dress, or I wear comfortable clothes.
Repeat after us. I wear comfortable clothes.
I wear comfortable clothes.
Excellent.
After I get dressed, I go to the kitchen.
Kitchen is the room where you cook and eat.
Repeat after us. Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Again. Kitchen.
Kitchen.
In the kitchen, I drink water first.
Drink water is very healthy.
Repeat after us. I drink water.
I drink water.
Again. I drink water.
I drink water.
Dear listener, drinking water in the morning is good for your body.
It helps your body wake up.
Then I make breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
Repeat after us. Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Again. Breakfast.
Breakfast.
I make simple breakfast, maybe eggs and toast.
Toast is bread that is hot and crispy.
Repeat after us. Toast.
Toast.
Again. Toast.
Toast.
Tom, do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do. I love coffee.
Coffee helps you feel awake.
Repeat after us. I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
Again, I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
Dear listener, do you drink coffee or tea?
You can say, I drink tea or I drink coffee.
Repeat after us. I drink tea.
I drink tea.
Excellent.
Now let's practice a small conversation,
I will ask you a question.
and you can answer.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
Repeat after us. I wake up at 6:30.
I wake up at 6:30.
Very good.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Then what do you do?
I take a shower.
Repeat after us. I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Excellent.
Dear listener, now imagine this situation. You meet your friend in the morning.
What would you say?
You can say, good morning.
Repeat after us. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Repeat after us. How are you?
How are you?
You can answer, I am fine.
Repeat after us. I am fine.
I am fine.
Or you can say, I am a little tired.
Repeat after us. I am a little tired.
I am a little tired.
That is natural. That is real life.
Yes, you do not need to always say, I am perfect.
You can be honest.
Honesty is good communication.
Repeat after us. I feel good.
I feel good.
Repeat after us. I feel sleepy.
I feel sleepy.
Sleepy means you want to sleep.
Repeat after us. Sleepy.
Sleepy.
Excellent.
Emma, sometimes I feel very sleepy in the morning.
Me too. Sometimes my bed says, stay here, Tom.
Yes, my bed talks to me too.
That is funny.
But we get up anyway.
Yes, because we have goals.
Goals mean things you want to do.
Repeat after us. Goals.
Goals.
Again, goals.
Goals.
Dear listener, your morning routine helps you reach your goals.
Even small steps are important.
Small steps create big changes.
Repeat after us. Small steps.
Small steps.
Big changes.
Big changes.
Excellent.
Now let's practice pronunciation.
Listen carefully.
Wake up.
Repeat after us. Wake up.
Wake up.
Brush teeth.
Repeat after us. Brush teeth.
Brush teeth.
Take a shower.
Repeat after us. Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Get dressed.
Repeat after us. Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Eat breakfast.
Repeat after us. Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Wonderful.
Dear listener, you are doing very well.
Yes, you are learning step by step.
And remember, learning English is like a morning routine.
You practice a little every day.
And slowly, you improve.
Improvement means getting better.
Repeat after us. Improve.
Improve.
Again, improve.
Improve.
Tom, how do you feel after a good morning routine?
I feel calm. I feel ready. I feel confident.
Confident means you believe in yourself.
Repeat after us. Confident.
Confident.
Again, confident.
Confident.
Dear listener, you can say this. I feel confident.
Repeat after us. I feel confident.
I feel confident.
Very good.
Now let's imagine another situation.
You are talking to your coworker.
Coworker means a person you work with.
Repeat after us. Coworker.
Coworker.
Again, coworker.
Coworker.
Good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Sleep well means sleep comfortably. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well. Yes, I slept well. Yes, I slept well. Or you can say, no, I did not sleep well. No, I did not sleep well. No, I did not sleep well. That is real-life English. Simple and useful. Dear listener, Your morning is your new beginning. Every morning is a fresh start. Fresh means new. Repeat after us. Fresh start. Fresh start. Again, fresh start. Fresh start. You can say, today is a fresh start. Today is a fresh start. Today is a fresh start. Beautiful. Emma, do you make your bed in the morning? Yes, I do. I make my bed every morning. Make your bed means you fix your blanket and pillow neatly. Repeat after us. Make my bed. Make my bed. Again, make my bed. Make my bed. Making your bed makes your room look clean. Clean space helps your mind feel calm. Repeat after us. Clean space. Clean space. Calm mind. Calm mind. Wonderful. Dear listener, now let's review some key phrases. Repeat after us slowly. I wake up. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Perfect.
You are doing something amazing right now.
Yes, you are building your English.
Step by step.
Word by word.
Morning by morning.
And remember, you are not alone.
We are here with you.
And we believe in you.
Before we finish, take a deep breath
Breathe in slowly.
and breathe out slowly.
You are calm.
You are capable.
Capable means able to do something.
Repeat after us. Capable.
Capable.
Again, capable.
Capable.
You are capable of learning English.
Yes, you are.
Tomorrow morning, try this simple routine.
Wake up.
Smile.
Stretch.
Brush your teeth.
Drink water.
And say one simple sentence in English.
You can say, today is a good day.
Repeat after us. Today is a good day.
Today is a good day.
Thank you for spending your morning with us.
We are proud of you.
Keep practicing,
Keep believing.
and we will see you again soon.
Good morning.
And have a beautiful day.